Why do you wash the roots of the rice before transplanting?
Okay, the reason why we wash the roots of the rice before we transplant, the reason is just simple. As we just pull it out from the soil, there are a lot of heaps of soil that covers the new roots. So that is the reason why we wash the roots out, so that as soon as you transplant it, the new root will start emerging and the plant will immediately survive and keep moving. So that is the reason why we wash the roots before we transplant. Okay, let me show you on the ground how we do this. Okay, this is the transplanting area that I have arranged. You can see the area I have arranged. You can see how uniform it is. 20 centimeter away from each other. You can look at it, 20 centimeter away from each other. So that is how the transplanting is done. Okay, look at it now. I pick rice seedling. I'm doing single seedling per hole, single seedling per hole. So watch and learn how rice is being transplanted. And you can see what I'm also doing. Now, that is it.
So why do you use cutlass instead of the normal puncher to open the ground?
Okay, the reason why I use cutlass, it is simple for me to use. One, it busts the hole very, very well and it's more accurate. If you look at the ones I have planted, you can look at it. It is very much
Wow.
accurate. You can see how they are in line. Look at it now. If I'm using that puncher, sometimes the lines might be rigoring. But as I'm using this, I put open like this, I open, I put. You see how simple it is for me. Are you seeing it?
Yes.
Yeah. So that's why I'm using cutlass.
And it's
And
faster for you.
yes, and it's not all any kind of cutlass. You can see this type of cutlass. This is the type that is accurate, that is very, very reasonable for you to do this. You can see the shape, how it is. It's easier, it can bust hole easily. Just like this palm we put. You see?
Okay.
Yeah, so that is the reason why I'm using cutlass, and you can see how fast it's for me. Yes. So you can see I'm doing single seedling. So the reason, as you asked me earlier, the reason I wash it, in the next 1 week, come here, you will see this rice doing very, very well. Doing very, very well. And we are going to label it. If you remember, today's date is what? What is today's date? Today is
Fourth.
4th of September 2025. So, yes, we are going to label this so that we can actually know in 1 month time how this rice is going to look like. So if you are planning to plant, this is upland rice. As you can see, there is no water here. It's an upland rice. So we are planting upland rice. So if you really want to venture into rice farming, yeah, this is one of the best method that you can use. Single seedling is the best way to go. Single seedling is the best way to go. And as you wash it, you can see how the new roots are emerge. They emerge. And with this now, in less than no time, the rice will just survive. Look at the ones that we did yesterday, and look at the ones that have already survived. And over there, yes, we have the same rice over there. So thank you. And if you like this information that you've had about rice cultivation, upland rice cultivation, please like, subscribe, and share the video. See you in another wonderful video. Thank you very much.